Let's start by exploring how AI is woven into the fabric of our daily lives. It's fascinating how it touches both personal and professional spheres, enhancing how we live and work.
Absolutely, Sarah. Take our personal lives, for example. Many of us use voice assistants like Alexa or Siri. These tools allow us to manage tasks hands-free, whether it's setting reminders, playing music, or controlling smart devices. It's like having a personal assistant at your beck and call.
Indeed. And have you ever noticed how streaming services suggest movies or products to you? That's AI at work, analyzing your past behavior to tailor recommendations and make your experience more enjoyable.
On the corporate side, AI is revolutionizing how businesses operate. It's amazing how process automation can save time and cut costs by handling repetitive tasks, which allows companies to focus more on strategic initiatives.
And let's not forget data analysis. AI helps businesses understand patterns in massive data sets, which leads to informed decision making and better prediction of future trends. It's like having a crystal ball, but based on data.
While AI offers these exciting opportunities, we must also be mindful of the associated risks. One major concern is data privacy. As AI systems deal with more personal data, safeguarding this information from breaches is crucial.
Exactly. Plus, there's the ethical side to consider. It's vital that AI systems are built fairly without bias, ensuring they don't discriminate or reinforce existing biases.
That's why global efforts are underway to establish international standards and ethics for AI. These guidelines aim to ensure that AI technology is safe, transparent, and fair worldwide.
And it's not just about creating standards. There's a collaborative push where governments, businesses, and organizations come together, sharing knowledge and resources to address AI's challenges and maximize its benefits.
We can see AI's practical applications all around. In smart homes, for instance, AI enables you to control your home environment seamlessly, whether it's adjusting your thermostat or enhancing security.
Plus, in customer service, AI powered chatbots provide 24/7 assistance, improving user experience significantly by delivering quick responses and solutions.
So, in essence, AI is pivotal in shaping our future. It empowers individuals by simplifying tasks and personalizing experiences, making daily activities more streamlined and less stressful.
For businesses, utilizing AI effectively can offer a competitive edge, paving the way for innovative operations and expansion strategies.
To wrap up, understanding how AI impacts our personal and professional lives is essential. By recognizing potential risks and implementing strategies to manage them, we can ensure responsible AI usage. This foundational knowledge invites further exploration into AI's capabilities and potential.
Exactly. Now let's dive deeper into AI's transformative power in specific sectors.